Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we have some really exciting things happening this week at Walgreens. So in this video, we're going to go over all of the details. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now this week at Walgreens is going to be absolutely crazy because they are introducing My W days. So this starts today, Sunday on July the 23rd, and it is going to run through Saturday, July the 29th. And each day we have new deals and new promotions. And according to Walgreens, if you are a My Walgreens member, there are going to be over $100 worth of rewards available for us all week long. So if you are not a My Walgreens member yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go to their website or download the app and sign up. It's basically just a free couponing account where you can get rewards back, clip your coupons, do some online shopping, all kinds of goodness. So make sure that you guys are signed up. Now, like I said, we are going to have new deals and new boosters and new promotions for every single day of the week for this week at Walgreens. So let's just do a quick overview and see what we're looking at for this week at Walgreens. So first up for today, which is Sunday, July the 23rd, you should have received a digital booster on your account for your most shopped category. So on my account, I received earn 30% back in Walgreens cash rewards on beauty and personal care products. And this one does expire today on Sunday. All right, next up we have Monday's booster. Now this should be the same for everyone. It is earn $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $20 in groceries, snacks, and beverages. So like I said, this booster will only be good for Monday, and I already have a deal planned out for us. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. All right, for our next day, Tuesday, we have a digital booster for earn $15 in Walgreens cash rewards when you make a $35 or more purchase in the Walgreens app. So this is going to be for pickup orders. All right, next up on Wednesday, July the 26th, we have an extra 25% off of a $20 purchase with the code WAG25. Or an extra 30% off of a $60 purchase with the code WAG30, plus free 1-hour delivery with the code DELIVER20. So again, that's going to be another quick and easy pickup order day. Now, looking at Thursday, we have earn $20 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $45 in beauty and personal care products. Now, Friday is going to be absolutely crazy because we have earn $10 in Walgreens rewards on a $10 or more completed pickup order. So basically, you put in a $10 pickup order, they're going to give you $10 in Walgreens cash back, and that's going to make it completely free. I'm telling y'all, this is the week to be shopping at Walgreens. Now, moving on into Saturday, this is the final day of the My W days. And on this day, you're going to earn an extra 10% Walgreens cash rewards on all of your purchases. Now, these deals all get even better because Walgreens also gave us a week-long booster for earn 25% Walgreens cash rewards on all purchases this week. So that is absolutely fantastic. And this deal gets even better because you can actually use your Walgreens cash to pay. If you have some Walgreens cash on your account, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and you're still going to get back the 25% in Walgreens cash back. So super deals this week at Walgreens, guys. You do not want to miss out, so make sure that you are signed up with your free couponing My Walgreens account. Make sure you're ready to go. Clip all of those digital boosters to your account, and make sure that you go through and clip all of your new coupons as well, because we just received new coupons for Walgreens today on Sunday. Now, like I said, I've already got a couple of deals planned out for us to do this week. Plus, I've already heard from one of my crazy couponing friends. She's going to help me out this week. She's already been to Walgreens doing some deals out there. So, y'all make sure that you have those notifications turned on and set them to all. That way, you don't miss out on this crazy, crazy week at Walgreens. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now, but I am curious to hear from you all, so let me know what you guys are thinking about all of this down in the comment section below. Do you have a favorite day that you can't wait to shop? Are you looking forward to hopefully Walgreens bringing this back every single year? Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below, and of course, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do all the things. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.